That ain't no lake trout. We are hooked up. We're doing some nearshore trolling in late September on Lake Superior. And we got all board lines out except for one line. We put a downrigger down 12 feet and didn't take more than 5 minutes, and I'm ready, Dad. Didn't take more than 5 minutes and we got hammered right away. He's just banging. It's like a nice salmon.
Holy cow, yeah. Nice shot. Wow.
No, that's a Chinook. There we go. Nice start to the day. We got a nice Chinook in the boat already. And yeah, what can you say? Yeah, it's a good start. It's our first fish of the day. He's kind of a skinny guy, isn't he? But
looks like a male, probably.
it was a Chinook we got down 12 feet on a spoon. How much water were we in?
We were only about over 25 feet of water.
About 25 feet of water. Water temperature is about 55, 56. A great start to the day. He smacked that pearl flash spoon there.
Yeah.
We're just up on the south shore, Wisconsin shoreline of Lake Superior. Got strong southwest winds today, so we're fishing in close, but it is late September, so it's typically when you would expect the salmon to start pushing up close to shore and start staging to move up the rivers. So we're going to be running mostly board lines, but looks like downriggers might be effective today too. This one's feeling more lake troutish. We are hooked up again. Didn't take another 5-10 minutes. Smaller fish. I think I'll flip them in. There we go. Nice lake trout. On that same spoon. Nice little guy. We'll get him back in the water. Hooked up again. We got a little fish on. Looks like it could be a salmon. Well, we just got this little section of shoreline here we continue to get hooked up on. How thick that fish is.
Oh yeah.
It's just a football. It's that all orange fast track.
Oh.
Orange is always a good coho color. Shown.
That's on the scatter wrap.
Yeah, the scatter wrap I just put out. Just got another release on a board line. It's a bait I just put out, Fire Tiger scatter wrap. Usually real good on board lines up on Lake Superior. But there's a few fish around. Other smaller fish. Another little chunker. He's got a minnow in his mouth.
Yeah. That's what we're after, these little scats.
It's not a giant, but he's gonna be delicious. Got a fish on the planer board there at release. Been a while since we've had a fish on here, but we are getting a few here and there. Still trolling in real close to shore. We're in that 20 to 25 foot of water range still. There's a few fish hanging around. They're just kind of spread out. Been a little bit of a mixed bag today. Had one lake trout, a couple coho, and a chinook. This one's feeling like a lake trout. Might be a brown. A brown would give us our fourth species. I'll take a brown. I'm ready for the net whenever you are. That's a salmon. Yeah, it's a nice salmon. That's a coho, Dad. Yeah. That's what we were looking for coho. There you go, guys. Really nice coho. That last coho hit on a orange fast track stick bait on a planer board. We were trolling over about 20-25 feet of water. We're still in that, oh, it actually has cooled down quite a bit, but we're in that mid to low 50s. Right now we're in 52-degree water, but that's a great coho. You can tell the coho by the fin here. If you press this fin down and it covers over halfway down, there's the difference right there. This is a chinook, this is a coho. You can see the fin on this one doesn't go past halfway, where that one does. Yeah, a lot more spots on the tail. But both really nice fish. We're gonna keep on trolling, see if we can get a few more. Hooked up again. And it feels like another good fish. On the same bait again. Same program. No, it's a fast track. I think we got maybe another one like it. We got into some cooler water over here. Started thumping and he got I think he actually broke the lure up. I don't know how that happened. Unless it was a pike or something. 90 feet down. Decided to move our fishing operation offshore a little. Put some downriggers down. And it didn't take too long here, and we're hooked up on our first fish on a deep downrigger. Sun was down 90 feet. I assume it's a lake trout, but you never know. Ready for the net. Oh.
Maybe want to lift them.
There you go. So, nice little lake trout from the depths. We'll let him go. Yep, hooked up. 120 feet down. Just peeling some line. I know. It's that big white one with the red eye. Hooked up with a pretty good fish here. And he popped the hook. Dang it. We are hooked up on some lead core. That was with 8 colors of lead core out. It's gonna be our last fish of the evening. Had some good fish in today. Unfortunately, we lost some really nice fish, but that's fishing, I guess. Not gonna get them all in. Well, we got one skiing up the back of the boat here for the last fish of the day. This looks like a salmon. Oh, it's a laker. It's a lake trout. There we go. Last fish of the evening. We had a great day on the water. Hope you guys liked the video today. Thanks for watching. Okay, came on the Wonder Bread. Got one real nice coho, a Chinook about the same size, and then 2 smaller coho. Gonna clean these babies up, and they're gonna make some great grilling salmon. That's what the coho are eating. There's just small, look like smelt fry is what they look like. We were marking clouds of bait fish all day long when we were trolling, and I think it was these little smelt fry. They're all over the place, and that's obviously what these coho are feeding on. Bye.